Welcome back to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we're taking a cinematic journey into the world of AI-assisted filmmaking. Lights, camera, AI, action. The world of cinema is undergoing a transformation. AI is not just a tool. It's a co-director, a scriptwriter, and an editor. It's reshaping how movies are made. From the first draft to the final cut. With AI's capabilities, the boundaries of storytelling are expanding, offering filmmakers new creative horizons. The heart of any movie is its script. With AI, writers can explore countless narrative possibilities. AI analyzes existing scripts, offers plot suggestions, and even crafts dialogues that resonate with audiences. The blend of human creativity and AI's data-driven insight is leading to scripts that are both innovative and emotionally impactful. Casting the right actors is crucial for a film's success. AI delves into actor performances.
This is what happens when AI casts Star Wars as if it was made today.
So let's see how good the casting is.
Skywalker is Tom Holland, old Obi-Wan Kenobi is Michael Caine, and middle-aged Obi-Wan is Michael Fassbender.
Audience preferences, and even chemistry between actors to suggest the ideal cast. It's like having a casting director with infinite memory and understanding. With AI's precision, filmmakers can ensure their characters are portrayed by the perfect actors. Enhancing the movie's appeal. In post-production, AI shines brightly. Whether it's editing, sound design, or visual effects, AI tools ensure the final product is of the highest quality. It can suggest edits, enhanced sound quality,
Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone.
and even create visual effects that were once deemed impossible. The magic of movies is now amplified with AI. Ensuring audiences are treated to a visual and auditory feast. For filmmakers, understanding the audience is paramount. AI analyzes viewer feedback, box office trends, and even predicts how well a movie will be received. It's like having a crystal ball that offers insights into audience preferences. In an industry where success is often unpredictable, AI offers filmmakers a glimpse into potential audience reactions. That's a wrap on our AI-assisted cinematic journey with AI Tools, your survival kit. The fusion of filmmaking and AI promises a future where movies resonate deeper and entertain like never before. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next reel.